Welcome to Code Station.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Ultimate Kotlin tutorial. This is the episode 7 where we're learning about when statement and ranges. If you have missed out on our first few episodes, I would highly recommend watching them first. But without any further ado, let's begin. The main agenda will be the ranges and the when statement. So what exactly is a range? A range is basically a range between two different numbers. It can be 1 to 5, 1 to 15, 1 to 20 or many more. To use range, there are two operators, the dot dot operator and the until operator. Let's understand this better in the code. Okay, so we are in the code. Let's take a number where number is equals to 5. Okay, so now we have to check that this number is within a specific range, like for a range between 1 to 5. So how we can do that? We can create a range by using the dot dot operator. But how do we actually create a range, and how do we check that this number is inside that range? So we use a result variable where we store the result. So where result is equal to number, and then we use the in operator. So the in operator is used to check whether a specific number is within some kind of range or a value. So let's take the range between 1 dot dot 5. What we are checking here, we are checking that the number is inside the range of 1 to 5. So what exactly is range of 1 to 5? It is basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the range of 1 to 5. But this is with when we are using the dot operator. If I run this or print this while result print, and I run this program right now, as you can see, the output is true because yes, 5 is within this range. But we can use one more operator called as the until operator, where we use until. Now this, instead of taking the 5, the upper bound, that means the upper bound of the range will set to 4, or like basically 1 below the upper bound. So that is, if I run this now, as you can see, this is false because until operator sets the upper bound 1 below the actual number that is given. That is how the range works. Now let's understand the when statement. So what exactly is a when statement? If you have learned Java or any other languages previously, there we use switch case. Now to understand this better in Kotlin, what we're going to do is we're going to write a code of animal, and we're going to check what type of animal it is. We're going to write a simple variable where animal is equals to cat, and using the simple if else, we are check that if this cat is available inside a or if this cat is available or not. So we're going to check if animal is equal to dog. If this is true, then print out animal is dog. Else if animal is equal to cat, then print out animal is cat. And we're gonna write a simple else as well, where we type println animal is not found. Okay, so now if I run this program, the output should be animal is cat, because yes, animal is cat. Now the output is here, but the code has become very lengthy, right? To write so many if else statements with so many conditions, it is lengthy. So how can we make it better for the coder or the programmer? How can we make the code more readable? So we can use something called as when statement. So to use the when statement, it is like a switch case or like a modified if else. We do when in bracket animal or the variable that we want to put in. Then inside that, what we're going to do is we're going to put curly braces. Inside of that, if cat, then use the arrow key. So this is basically this animal that we have entered. If it is a cat, it checks that this is a cat, and if it is a cat, then print out animal is cat. If it is not, you can also do it as dog. So if animal is dog, println animal is a dog. Now what if both of them are not found? Then we can use the else statement right here as well, and println as animal is not found. If I run this program now, it will give me the same output that animal is cat. As you can see, it has given me the same output. So this is the when statement. But what if I want to store this output instead of variable? That yes, we can do that as well. How we do that? We can make this as an expression. So basically what we have done here, we have made the when statement as an expression. Instead of it printing out something or doing something else, what we have done, we have basically stored the output inside the result variable. And now if we print the result variable, then the output should be the same, that is animal is cat. Yes, as you can see, the output is the same. That is how you use the when and the ranges. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you the next time. Peace out.